All right. So, welcome to the Holistic Business Directory with Enlightened Styles. I'm really excited about putting this all together. Now, keep in mind what you're seeing now is still in the very beginning stages. There's going to be a lot of changes to the look and feel of everything, but I wanted to give you an idea of what this was going to look like. So I have something called the VIP Client Lounge for all of our existing clients. And the idea behind this was I really wanted to be able to give them a directory of businesses that align with our philosophies of clean, holistic, and sustainable practices. So that's everything from like acupuncturist, naturopaths, to clean beauty products, or a farm that offers sustainable options. So it's all over the place, but I wanted to have these businesses showcased so that I can, number one, give my clients a valuable tool for them to be able to look for businesses that align with what they're looking for. Two, for me to connect with other businesses that align with what we are all about. And so that I can also support these businesses who are out there doing these really amazing things. And every business owner is like just amazing, right? Because we know how much goes into it. Now, when you add a layer of clean, non toxic, holistic, or sustainability to your business, because I've been running a clean, holistic, and sustainable business for 13 years, I know that comes with an extra layer of difficulty sometimes. And there's a lot more thought and processes that have to be put into a business that is with this type of mission. So, again, that just brings me back to like, I really wanted to support businesses. And what this is going to be is this is going to go to all of my current clients. They get access to this. And then what I am also going to do is use this as a lead magnet to bring in new clients, and just showcase what the difference is when you come to my salon, right? You get this amazing VIP lounge where we do a lot of education pieces, and we um, will showcase businesses like this, but in the lounge you get so many other things: education on sustainability, events that are happening, and tools and resources to be able to really live this type of lifestyle. So, with that said, this is what it's going to look like. We've got, categories. I might add more, got to see how that goes. But for instance, if we go to the beauty and personal care, this is what the directory is going to look like. So here we've got, obviously, I'm highlighting the refillery. Also, this is a service base, beauty. So she has products from Pure Zen Wellness. It's going to showcase your information, your website, Instagram, Facebook. If you have others like a podcast, a YouTube channel, whatever you want to showcase, I'm going to pick about 2 to 3 different links to showcase. But here is the difference between this just being like the information. I would also like to highlight if you have a video. So there you can see there's a small snippet showcasing her business. We can add this into your directory. And the best practices for something like this is, honestly, you can just shoot it on your phone. You can do it like you're talking to the camera, or you can just do it of your space and do a voiceover. And I'm going to tell you why the voiceover is so important, because this hub, if you search up here like Reiki, so if somebody comes here and a client is looking for specifically Reiki services, or, you know, clean candles, or a farm, whatever businesses we have here, it is searchable. And once we have all of this filled out, more things will populate. But Reiki pops up and it tells you exactly who provides Reiki. It will showcase the video and exactly where that video talks about Reiki. So, like I said, this is kind of the beginning stages, but I am going to get this all filled out. I'd love to populate it with a ton of businesses. If you know of other businesses that should be highlighted, please let me know. And then the last thing I'm going to say is the other piece of this is in my client lounge. I will be asking the business owners who are in the directory if they happen to teach. So this might not be good for everyone, and it might, not pertain to you. But if you teach in your business, or you're passionate about teaching and you would like to put together some sort of either like a master class or just like a little video explaining something that would highlight your business but would add value to our clients, I'd love to showcase that as well. And that would go into a whole educational piece, that just would be great to like showcase who you are in your business, but also add tons of value to our clients. Okay, let me know if you have any questions, and thank you so much for being a part of this.